Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this lemon lime swirl for Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal preference. For today's water marble, we're going to be using Orly. The green is Mint Mojito. The yellow is Lemonade. And the white, which I'll also be using as my base color, is White Tips. To protect around my nails, I'm going to be using a combination of tape as well as liquid latex around the cuticle. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once you have your bullseye drawn, you can go ahead and start drawing your design. I'm going to start with about 8 sort of spokes out from the center. Then I'm going to draw back in between them. Then, once I have that finished, I'm going to draw the spiral on top of that design. The more spokes that you do, the more intricate of a spiral design you're going to get. Once you've got your design drawn, you can go ahead and line up your nails. I'm going to be dipping 3 at a time with the spiral, on this case, an accent for my ring finger. So I'm kind of just looking at the sides and edges to decide what other areas I want on my pinky and middle nail. Then I'm going to go ahead and dip in, clean off the surface with my orange stick, although there's not a lot of excess polish when dipping 3 nails. You still don't want any of that to stick on top of your design. And then once I've made sure everything is clear, go ahead and slowly pull out. And there's the water marble. I like to use a tweezer to help me remove the protection. So I'm just going to grab it on one side here and then pull off the rest. And once I've removed it all, I'm going to finish marbling the rest of my nails. Once you're done marbling, you can move on to the cleanup. I'm going to use a Q-tip for some of the larger spots on my fingers and also for the underside of my nails. And then I'm going to go in and do closer cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. cleanup, I made sure to press any bubbles flat, and now I'm going to finish everything off with top coat. As usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished design, and I'm fairly happy with how it turned out. I actually like the balance of color a little bit more on the non-accent nails. I feel like the swirls lost a little bit more of the green than I wanted them to, but they still turned out pretty cool. I think it gives me kind of a little bit of candy vibes, and I'm actually thinking about mattifying it in a day or two, but we'll see if that actually happens. If you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. If you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up, and I hope you did enjoy. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.